Huge update for Bitcoin. London with Bitcoin Spike. If you watched yesterday, give me a shout out with a like. You know I discussed yesterday the specific potential for the descending triangle to serve as a top price line feature. Boom. To the downside, we're at 21,090. Looking again at that mid-level function, the descending triangulation. Boom. To the downside, guys, preceding. So we had the 1, 2, 3 punch. Boom. To the downside. This is London. We'll go through a potential pickup line. Very important right now in the market, guys. Look at this. We're looking at a potential pickup, not only at the 50% retracement, also at a cross trend line. I want to shout out to the VIP. Take a look. I'm going to feature Vlad today. Look at this. 12 grand, 12.8 G's. Boom. One trade. That's my man, and look what he said about it. I love this, Vlad. You're my man, brother. Look at this. He says, and I have to just shout out to Vlad, guys. You got to get to know him. He's the pit boss for VIP. Look at this. Hedge is working beautifully. Thank you, London, for the perfect target. I'm seeing such and such strong resistance above. Way to go, Vlad. You're always welcome, brother. It's a pleasure to have you in VIP. Looking at a few of the other trades, guys. Huge day. Look at Venus. Look at Felix. Big days in the back. One short, 430%, guys. We're trading in the back. This is London with Bitcoin Spike now. Yes, we have the low to the high, okay? From the low to the high, okay? We are denoting that we're close to that 50% retracement. Your Fibonacci retracement tool. You want that from the low, you want to draw it up to the high. The implications, guys, of the downward price action, I'm going to let you know the following. Please rewatch the specific video I cut yesterday. If you did not watch that, please watch the video yesterday. We covered it in depth. Now, this top line resistance, this is known as a fan feature. Line 1, line 2. The focal point, let's go over this very quickly. Shout out to all of the VIP guys. Way to go, way to trade. That's VIP. Now, in terms of the seat, look at this, guys. This is called the seat. It is the area of convergence of the various trend lines that mark their path through. Guys, we're on the hourly right now, but mark their path through. A level of resistance flip to support. A level of resistance flip to question mark support. We still have this line on the hourly. Please draw this fan. It's New York Institute of Finance. You'll need to understand it's just this specific convergence, meaning these essentially an array function. The lines come together, okay, at the seat of the fan. Thereafter, that level of resistance is flipped over into support. Okay, then that level of resistance is flipped over into support. Then we get up and over the resistance part. Then that level of resistance, the question is, can we get a nice hit here? Guys, I'm going to tell you, in addition to looking at that 50% retracement, I am personally very focused on a specific reconfirmation of a different fan feature. Please pay attention closely. Yes, we have the downside target. Let's talk about, first of all, downside target is going to be amplitude of the specific descending triangulation. That'd be at about 20,700 to be precise. We're not quite there yet. What I would like to see, I'm going to tell you guys what I'd like to see, just as we discussed on the fan. Guys, this is not average TA. This is New York Institute of Finance. We focus on New York Institute of Finance. That's where Wall Street goes to school, guys. That's literally their motto. So looking at the fan framework, what do we have here? Levels of support flip to resistance, levels of support flip to resistance, level of support flip to resistance, level of support flip to resistance. Guys, very nicely done. Let's go to like the 15-minute time frame. Does that clean it up a little? Do you see every level of support come as resistance, support to resistance, the support here to resistance from that centralized array function? Boom. So what I'm looking at right now is this level of prior support. I would like to see the market take price up to prior support with this array function and confirm, boom, as resistance. That's the next target for me. boom, guys, to let you know my next target will be that 21,619. I'm going to call that 21,619. Note always on your targets that you may want to make an adjustment for the candle wicks. If you make an adjustment for the candle wicks, 21,511. You understand your Fibonacci's on the way down. You also understand there is a potential. And let's take a look at this. Given the fact that we have broken down from this flag formation, let's also note that we have broken down from a specific wedge formation. Now, this is big. If you're not accustomed to wedges, I want to let you know we love to see wedges recoup into the body of the wedge. If we can get underneath this wedge, underneath the specific apex function, we will target this wedge, boom, to the upside. Remember, on all of your targets, whether or not it be one of the targets I just mentioned or otherwise, make sure you have the following. First of all, you need to identify your target. Second of all, you need a pattern to get you to your target. So one, identify the target. Bam, identify the target here. We'd like to flip prior support to resistance. So we identify the target. Now we need, and guys, we identified this target in the back. I want to let you know, boom, we were looking at this hit, bam, from down here. Boom, boom, nice job for VIP. Vlad, I think that's what you were referring to. So what we're looking at is, yes, the target here, we're going to need a pattern, boom, to get us to our target. So that's going to be the crux of the next trade day. I'll let you know, the next trade day, always willing and able, guys, with your heavy reserve cash to cover any upside position. If you're in money on a short, way to go, guys, way to go. Yes, that midline, I'd say that mid-price line function here really gave us a clue, boom, to a potential top formation. Again, I want to invite you to join VIP. Guys, the group is doing so well. I'm so excited. We're building in 2022. This link here will get you to be able to join that top level membership. Once you join that top level membership, VIP, and guys, we have a solid group this year to let you know. Go ahead and hit in to that first pinned tweet, please, and let me know, particularly that you are VIP. Put I am VIP. That will introduce us. It'll enable me to get in touch with you and let you know the parameters of the back rooms, where the signals are. Just curated, guys, beautiful charts, excellent cooperation. I just say teamwork. It's that type of teamwork. We've got it, guys. Number one trade group. Look at this low, by the way, today. The actual pickup, $21,699. $21,699. Look at the actual low. If you can see this. This actually was, if I can pull this up here, I think I put a tweet out on it, but looking at this, 21,699, it was a par-on-par exact match in terms of the pickup. So yes, we're having success on the trades. We'd love you to join us. The only requirement for VIP is that you want to beat the market. And I'll let you know, we will keep you posted like we did on this potential top price line formation, descending triangle. This is London. And remember, former hedge fund owner, not financial advice, and that was private, non-SEC on hedge fund. Guys, let's go. Let's trade Bitcoin. This is the type of volatility that we've asked for. We love the volatility. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care of yourself, and let's get towards that weekend. It's incoming. Let's go, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.